Lot 23 in prestigious Sandia Canyon subdivision has 360-degree mountain and sunset views, conveniently located between Taos Plaza and Taos Ski Valley. Wrapped by the Sangre de Cristo Mountains, from Taos Mountain to Truchas Peaks and beyond. 6.61 acres of pinon and juniper, sagebrush, and native grasses. Several level choices for home sites. Horses are welcome. Across State Road 522, from the confluence of the Rio Pueblo and Rio Grande rivers at the John Dunn Bridge. On a clear day, you can see the Rio Grande Gorge. Spectacular horizon sunset views 365 days of the year. Views of Truchas Peaks and south, protected by 5 miles of neighboring Taos Pueblo land. Reasonable restrictions protect your investment. Estimated annual property tax is $1,106. Trees and berm shield the property from views and sounds of State Road 522. 1/6 ownership in an adjacent 8-acre recreation area reserve known as the Pit. Perfect for walking dogs and riding horses. Underground utilities and Kit Carson fiber optic internet at the lot. Road maintenance agreement in place to assure well-maintained roads, with year-round easy access off State Road 522. Prestigious Sandia Canyon subdivision is located 15 minutes from Taos Plaza and only half an hour from Lift 1 in Taos Ski Valley, with easy paved state road access to all local amenities.